Alright YouTube, well I know some of you guys requested a cold start of the redmax gz400 chainsaw, so I thought I'd make a video today on cutting up some firewood here. I got some oak, and I might do some splitting with the log splitter, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to cut up some of this here. Got some logs, not real big logs, but just cut them up. And I got Husqvarna chaps on. My dad and I bought these a while ago because a few months ago he cut his leg with the chainsaw. Not real bad, but so we got chaps, and they're pretty good chaps. So I'd recommend getting them. They're like $60. And you always want to have good boots on, and as you can see I have rubber boots, but it's because the garden, as you can see, is just all muddy. So you gotta have rubber boots on, but really you'd want steel-toed boots. And you always want gloves. I wear these gloves. They're just Western Safety from Harbor Freight. And you do want to wear eye protection because I have gotten some sawdust in my eyes before. And you definitely want hearing protection. And I wear both. I wear the earplugs, and then I put these on extra because these block out 30 decibels and the earplugs block out 30 decibels, so it blocks out a lot more noise than these alone. So you definitely want to protect your hearing, and be careful with chainsaws because they're very dangerous. So I'll do a cold start of it. Hasn't been started in a while, so I'll set it down on a log here. There you go. And we'll turn it on, choke, prime it a few times. Chain breaks off. Normally they recommend starting this with the chain brake on, but I don't, because the chain, it's hard to use it when the chain brake is on because it tends to stall more. So then we'll push it in a half choke. Now that I got the chainsaw started, I did put the brake on. You always want to use the brake. So, gonna let it warm up for a few minutes, and while I'm waiting for it to warm up, I'll just show you guys some of the firewood. That's what I started in a few months. So here's some of the new wood. This is oak, and then we have some older wood here that we're trying to split up. I'm cutting the new stuff because I just want to get it out of the way. But we do got to split this, and you can see I got a real big log here that'll have to be cut with the steel. But yeah, so some wood there. Got a lot of firewood. I got to clean that out there, and so I can put more firewood there. Some of you guys wondered why I don't sell firewood, and that's because my grandmother burns a lot of firewood. So we cut it, and we go through a lot of firewood. I mean a lot. So this is all ready to be stacked. Mostly this will be for next year. That firewood is way over there. Oops. Right there, that's for this year. There's a lot of it. Alright, I'm going to set the camera down. This log right here. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, that works. got sawdust on the camera. Yeah, I got sawdust on the screen. Sorry about that. Yeah guys, so that's it. Oops, I got some sawdust on my screen. Alright, there you go. Yeah, so I cut that up. I'm gonna do some more cutting, and I don't know, I might split some wood. I don't know, I got a little bit there to split in some of these blocks, so I'm not too sure yet. So if I do split some, I will take a video. If not, then I will have a video of splitting some wood. But yeah, see you guys.